What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Baby Doge, where Baby Doge is probably going to be going over next. We're going to be doing some technicals with Baby Doge, so definitely stick around till the end of the video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the Mexi Global link inside of the description. Remember, not a financial advisor, another financial advisor. I already said that, but hey, let's get started with the Baby Doge technicals. So the first thing I want to talk about with Baby Doge, right now we are about to hit this. Well, we did hit this resistance and we did get rejected. But what I want to talk about is why we're about to probably hit the resistance again. Look, it kind of looks like it's bottoming out again. It's probably going to end up hitting that resistance again. And I think we're going to get rejected again here at that 1.7 area. So right now we're at 1700, but around 1730, I feel like we're going to get another rejection with Baby Doge. So this is probably going to shoot Baby Doge's price down a little bit lower. But something that's good that's happening with Baby Doge now, you can actually see we are starting to become a little bit more bullish. Remember, this was the bears being in control of the 24-hour market control by 100%, but now the bears are only in control by 60%. So it's now saying that we're pretty much 40% more bullish. So we have the possibility of rising. You can see here, it's not all dominated by the selling pressure on the oscillator. It's actually more mixture of selling and buying on the oscillator now. So previously we had like way more selling here on the oscillator. You can see all of this was selling, this whole area literally for like 2 weeks straight, just nothing but selling inside of Baby Doge, really in the whole overall crypto market. But now everything's kind of, getting back. So now we're just pretty much waiting for that. So right now we're gonna see this rejection probably, and then maybe after that we may get some more bullish movement coming in Baby Doge. But moving on from the 15M chart, I want to look at the 4-hour chart because this is the long-term chart. This is the chart that matters literally the most. So this chart is pretty much showing us that it kind of looks like we had a nice little bottom here. But I will say this, if we continue to go down from here, you are going to see Baby Doge probably go below 1.6. I know I said that yesterday, but something new that's forming up today is these two green candlesticks. So typically with these vital algo indicators, whenever we become bullish, it starts off, just a few green candlesticks, maybe does a little bit of a pullback, but they still stay green because they're still buying that's coming in. So we may actually see the same thing happen now, where we do a little bit of a pullback, even though you see green candlesticks, it goes and pulls back while it's green, but then it hits a bottom area where we just start to have more buying. So with the indicators, it pretty much shows us before we have that uptrend. So it showed us even before the uptrend actually started. Like the uptrend started and then it kind of went down and bottomed out here. And then it actually had an actual uptrend. So we're kind of seeing the same thing happening now, where we're having this uptrend with the green candlesticks. And then we do a little bit of a pullback and then bottom out and then have another uptrend. So this one could probably bring us up to maybe the 1.9 or the 2.0 area. Hopefully it can bring us to like one of those two areas. But hopefully it comes soon, because there's a lot of people that are really losing hope in Baby Doge. So I'm not losing hope. I know Baby Doge is going to be big in the future. I know it's going to be one of the biggest crypto communities out there, and it already is one of the biggest crypto communities. And not to mention, we're also trending here on CoinGecko. We're always trending all over the place. So I definitely believe Baby Doge is going to become one of those top tier cryptos. But anyways, 36K, we're almost at 35K. I've been talking about the 35K support for Bitcoin for the longest time. A lot of people are saying no, Bitcoin is not going all the way down to 35K. Right now, you can actually see Bitcoin is going down to 35K. So, well, it's pretty much already touched the 35K, but now it's really at the bridge of like breaking that area. So we're gonna see Bitcoin going down here to these 35K levels. Now, this is the 15M chart. And the one that really matters is the 4-hour chart, because this is our long-term chart. And now you can even see this is where I set those support lines. Now, I did do these scenarios. If we were the pump in Bitcoin, this would be like the whole scenario. And I know it kind of looks messy, but since this didn't happen, I'm going to go ahead and delete this, because what really matters is what we just now did. So we just now bounced off the support. Now, the vital algo indicators are pretty much telling us that we have a chance of a reversal here. So you're about to see a reversal back to the upside. The next area where we have resistance, and the next area where we have less demand, where we're more likely to get stopped at, would be 39,000. So we could see Bitcoin rallying back up to $39,000 very soon, especially since we're coming off a huge oversold area. This whole of April was really oversold. And you can even see it here on the oscillator. It's showing you all those areas, like people were just selling, selling, selling because all the news. Then we had the Fed meeting with Jerome Powell, like around here. And this is pretty much where you're seeing the bearish coming in, because that's pretty much why we had that huge sharp, this huge like sharp dive downwards on the fifth. I know it was on the third and the fourth, but look, it pumped on the fourth because that's just what happened. He put out some good news, but then immediately after that, it just started to dump. And yeah, that the people, like, and when I say the people, I really mean the whales, like the huge whales, the institutions, they kind of played everyone for fools. They made everyone think everything was out the pump, and then they just sold out and pulled the rug. So that's pretty much what happened there. Now we are seeing here on the oscillator that we are having some bearish and selling coming in. So you may see Bitcoin maybe bottom out at the bottom of 35K, possibly even at 40 or 34K. But I almost had a little brain fart there. But like, look over here, it could pull back down to 34 possibly, because we do have some more support. So hopefully it doesn't go below 34. Like I said, I feel like 35K is like nearing that bottom, and 34K is really where the bottom of this area is. So who knows? Maybe 34K is the bottom. Maybe 35K is. But what we do know here with Bitcoin is that people are really starting to spread so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. If you look anywhere on the market, anywhere on the news, people are just talking about how everything's going down, 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 down. And just like what Warren Buffett said, when others are fearful, be greedy. Everyone's fearful right now. So I definitely think this is probably the moment to double down. Now, yes, they're saying we're going into a recession, but what they really don't realize is that we are in a recession, and we're not going into one. We are in one. Literally, we started out the whole year pretty much down. Like literally the whole year started down in the stock market and everything. So we're still down, and we're like halfway through the year, or nearly halfway. Starting next month, we'll be halfway. But yeah, this is just crazy. All the stuff that's happening. I'm just kind of waiting for things to play out here, and I have been buying more and more baby Doge. But right now, I'm gonna have a new strategy. I'm gonna kind of take a step back. I'm not gonna continue to buy the dips until I see 1-2, or if I see 1-2, because I already got a lot of baby Doge, and I got a lot at 1-8. So I'm gonna wait now for baby Doge to get, or no, I got in around 1-6. But I'm gonna wait for baby Doge to hit 1-2 if that happens, and that's probably where I'm gonna buy more baby Doge. So then I'll probably have like 3 trillion after that. But moving on from here, we got some new listings, not really new listings, but we are now on Clever. So Clever introduces new fiat to crypto buying options. So now you can do fiat to crypto for bakery swap for baby Doge and attention token. So that's actually pretty cool. And on top of here, we have CoinX Global. So top 5 searches, we are literally number 2 for top 5 searches, number 1 being ApeCoin. So that's also pretty good. And we are seeing the whales kind of slowing down with their selling. Now we're seeing more whales are really just adding to what they have in the baby Doge instead of selling. Even though you still see over here, like that's a lot of money sold, $200,000 total sold, but the actual whales added to their wallet, and then the largest whales only collectively sold 3.4K, which is $3,000, which is not much. But when you look at the whole total, $200,000 lost to baby Doge inside the last 24 hours. That's because the sharks, they're not even the biggest whales. They're the ones with 100K, 50K. They're not the biggest whales in baby Doge, but they have a lot of pool because there's a lot of them. So you're seeing $197,000 pretty much leaving. But see, as they sell out, as they leave baby Doge, look over here. You got the burn wallet. So as they sell, we're burning coins. So as you can see, 12.49 trillion coins just burned inside of that burn wallet. Then you can see over here 22.8K. That's huge right there. 22.8K. So that's a lot burned. And then you can see the pancake swap liquidity, 81.48 trillion now added to liquidity. And then you can see over here about 148 $1,000 right there added to our liquidity. That's actually pretty big in the last 24 hours. And then our contract is 22.3 trillion. So we got 22.3 trillion baby Doge now added to the contract. That's $40,000. So that's a lot of money. I mean, big shout out to everyone that's still inside baby Doge. We're still growing. I mean, 874 new people today. So, hey, if you're new to the baby Doge army, welcome. We're having a lot of growth still, even though everything's down. People are still joining in on baby Doge. So that's amazing. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over this stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.